Hey guys, in this video, I will be teaching you how you can turn off comments on your Facebook post. Maybe probably you want to post and you don't want people to comment or react on your post. This is how to do it. So firstly, you head straight to Facebook. Regardless the device you're using, regardless it's an iPhone or an Android or you're on a computer, it's all the same. All right. So all what you do is, let's take for instance, you want to post. So let's say you've posted. Let's say you want to post something like, "Hey guys, hey guys, I am back," and you don't want anybody to comment on this particular post. Let's say, for instance, you just want to post and you don't want any form of reaction by people and their opinion towards your post. So what see you can see it has been posted now. Or what you do is you click on these three icons at the top right hand side of the post. Once you click on it, you will see an option that says who comment on your post. You can see, you click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you who can comment on your post. So since you know you don't want people to be able to comment on your post, all what you will do is you can see options like public, friends and established followers, friends, and profile and pages you mention. So if you don't want anybody to be able to comment on any, you don't want anybody, any of your friends at all, to comment on that post, all what you do is you click on profile and pages you mention. So once you click on done, it implies that this particular post cannot be reacted to by commenting from friends. Thank you very much. And if you find this video very helpful, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.